These Mexican potatoes are perfectly golden and crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and tossed in a smoky, savory spice blend that brings serious flavor. Start with your potatoes. I'm using Yukon Golds, but baby golds are great too. Dice them evenly so they roast up nice and crispy. Soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This removes excess starch and gives you a crunchier texture. Drain them and dry really well. No shortcuts here. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Once the potatoes are dry, coat them in a little neutral oil. Then add cornstarch to create a nice crusty exterior. This is totally optional, but highly recommended. Then add the spice mix. I'm using smoked paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, chili powder, salt, and black pepper. Spread the potatoes on a lined baking sheet. Give them space so they roast, not steam. Into a 425 degrees Fahrenheit oven they go for about 25-30 minutes, flipping halfway through. When they're deeply golden and crispy on the edges, pull them out. Hit them with a little lime juice or zest, fresh cilantro, and pickled onions. Drizzle with some oil if desired. These are perfect for taco night, burrito bowls, or just eating straight off the pan. Crispy, smoky, spicy, totally addictive.